God damn. Whoo-wee, look at these things, man. Whoo, look at that. These is pretty sweet, man.
If me no reach this year, next year nah pass.
To go on YouTube, it's your boy Mr. Bleeze up one grand round to the next because the world don't stop. And today, you know what, from the thumbnail, what we about to do, man. Because when you see these things, you're gonna be like, ooh wee. But yeah, we're gonna install this Carven exhaust tip on the beast. Hell yeah. And while we're at it, we're gonna talk about the bed cover that I installed whenever I did a video about it, because it's real simple. So I'm gonna show you guys real quick how to put it on when I'm done installing these exhausts, man. But exhaust tips. But I'm saying, man, these exhaust tips, man, they look pretty sweet, man. I'm gonna let you guys see how they look, man. God damn. Whoo-wee, look at these things, man. Whoo, look at that. These is pretty sweet, man. You got the carving right there, man. Let me get look at these compared to this, man. I mean, there's a big difference. Little thing. Look at it. And if you guys didn't know, I have the exhaust, the Carven Muffler installed up there. So y'all make sure to check out that video, man. But we're about to put these on, man. I'm pretty sure it's gonna sound pretty sweet with that cold start, man. So without delay, man, let's get to installing these parts. Alright, man, so all we're gonna need to take off these exhaust tips and put on the new ones is a 1/2 inch socket and a wrench, and we good, man. So let's get to it, man. I can't wait, man. It's gonna be I'm pretty sure it's gonna be, I'm sure it's gonna look pretty sweet, man. I can't wait to hear it. Get that damn cold start, man.
Oh yeah, that's one down, man. And these Carvens, man, and as you can tell, man, these right here comes with their own clamp, so you ain't gotta reuse the old one. They got brand new clamps, man. So hell yeah. Like I said, excuse the wind noise, man. I'm outside, it's windy. It's a nice day out today, so why not? Install, man. Hell yeah.
Man, so I got one on. I didn't tighten it up fully yet. I'm about to put on the other one, man. Like I said, excuse the wind noise, man, but damn, look at that thing, man. It is looking nice. Hell yeah, it is looking nice. And it's somewhat flush, if you guys can see, flush with the bumper. I wish it kind of stick out a little bit just to show that Carven Exhaust imprint up there. But damn, look at that, man. Look how nicely it fills up the gap compared to this one right here. Hell yeah. It's gonna look pretty sweet, man. Hell yeah.
Gee, man, look at those things look from back here, bro. Guys, those look pretty sweet. You know what I'm saying? And it sure does match that black and blue chrome. I know the truck's dirty, but every time I wash it, it rains. So I'm like, screw it. I'm gonna do this video anyway. Man, look at that. Hell yeah. Hey, looking real sweet, man. I can't wait to get that cold start going. But I'm gonna tighten them up, get you guys that cold start. Then we're gonna talk about this bed cover right here that I got for it. Alright guys, so while I was tightening down, well, torquing down the exhaust tip, I snapped the bolt. Yep, I was trying to get it to 34 foot-pound, and the bolt went pow. I guess my torque wrench, since it's a half-inch, was probably, I think it's a quarter-inch or a half-inch, probably too big, so he wasn't putting enough tension on the torque to stop it at 34 foot-pounds. So it pretty much snapped it. Good thing it did. So, you know, at least I used the bolts from the old exhaust tips. I kind of backed off a little bit on the other one, so just in case there's vibration, I don't snap it and lose my exhaust tip, because I'll be pretty pissed off. But yeah, so it's all set up. I'm gonna get you guys a cold start, and then we're gonna talk about the bed cover. So let's get that cold start. Woo, lordy, listen to that. Damn, that thing sounds good. God damn. Hell yeah. Oh yeah. Thing looking good, man. Look at that. Hell yeah. We got that little bit right there. Hell yeah. Hell yeah, man. I think that thing sounds a little bit deeper with those 5-inch tip. They look real nice. I like them, man. Shit, they sound real good. Man, ooh wee. They sound real good, man. I like them. I like them a lot. Hell yeah. Gives the truck another different look, man. Yeah, the build continues, man. Alright guys, so installing my bed cover. Let me get on up here. Alright, so installing my bed cover is pretty easy. I bought them from a guy for the Facebook market for like 450 bucks. That was the cheapest I could have found them for. And it was pretty, I got lucky because he had wanted like 800 for them. And he marked them down to 450, and I went right there picking them right up. But the way I did it was I got it pretty close right there, as you can see, to the tip right here, to right here. And then I just tightened down those bolts right there, and I did the same thing for that side over there. So once I got that tightened down, all I did was I took the cover and I placed it on the bed, and then I just placed it on like that. And then let me put this on this little light right here. That little light works good at night. I mean, it doesn't seem bright during the day, but at nighttime it actually lights up. I was not expecting it to be that cool, but yeah. So I'm gonna have to crawl in here. Alright, so get this light. So once I placed the bed cover on, all I did was I put these on, so I tightened them down just a little bit so I could move them, and then I slid the bed cover on, lined it up to where I wanted it, make sure it's even on both sides, and then I took the bracket and I pushed them as far back as they could go so they could hook up real snug to this, as you could see right here. So that's how snug they could have went, and I did the same thing for the other side. So it took about, oh shit, no, upside down. So it took about 10-15 minutes to set it up to where I wanted to. The install wasn't long, you know what I'm saying, just lining it up real quick, and that was the quickest way I did it. I didn't have no manuals for it, so that's how I did it. It was real simple, real quick, real easy. All right guys, there you have it, man. We got those Carven Exhaust tip installed. I showed you guys how to install the bed cover that I have on the truck right now. So we're about to go out, get some sound clips of the exhaust. Hopefully it don't fall off. With the bolts being a little bit too tight, like you guys see, I snapped that one bolt. Well, you didn't see. I did it off camera. It snapped. Hopefully the next one doesn't snap and I lose the thing while driving, because like I said, I'll be really pissed off. But yeah, we gonna get some sound clips and probably some drone footage, man. So I hope you guys enjoy this video, man. All right. Oh man, I think right off the bat, I think it sounds a little bit deeper, but I'm pretty sure that thing looks sweet back there, man. It sounds good. I love it, man. Like I said, I love the Carven muffler. You know, I got the exhaust tips. If you guys haven't seen that video of me installing the muffler, make sure y'all check that out, man. It's pretty sweet, man. I love it. Like I said, before that though, I did have a Muffler Delete that I did enjoy. You know, I like it. Driving under load, like if you're pulling trailer stuff, I mean, you're gonna have a drone in there, you know what I'm saying, because it's louder, so you're gonna have that a more deeper drone inside the cab. So, but yeah, man, but like I said, I still love it. I still enjoy it. I love driving the truck. I love starting up that cold start, man. That's the best part for me right there, man, is that cold start, hearing that that first crank, man. It sounds pretty sweet. But man, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, man. If you did, make sure you like, share, subscribe, give us a thumbs up, you know what I'm saying, man. And if you haven't seen the other videos or the customization or the modification on the truck, make sure y'all check that out, man. The wheels and tire setup with the suspension update, that's coming pretty soon. I'm still putting that one together, so make sure y'all stay tuned for that, man. And until next time, man, make sure y'all stay blessed, stay safe, make on. Woo!